Jim looked away from his computer. He had just finished his work for the day. He almost forgot about the final report that was extremely important for his boss. If he didn't finish it tonight, he would be fired, or at least that is what his employer threatened him about. He was told to stay home today and finish it in the comfort of his own home. To concentrate better, his employer told him. Jim had been on his computer since 1 this afternoon. It was now 8 o'clock. He only took breaks to eat and check on his newborn baby, whom was about a month old. His wife and he have been married about 3 years before they decided to try to have a child. They were joyful that their first baby was healthy, and they hoped happy. Jim stretched in his chair and looked at his computer screen once again. He quickly saved his report. He then wondered when his wife would return from grocery shopping. Jim sat back in his chair and looked at the ceiling. He closed his eyes and began to doze off. Before long, he was awoken by the sound of crying. Soft, faint crying. He looked around, wondering where the sound was coming from. He then noticed it was the baby monitor on his desk. Well, Jim thought, time to check on little Julie again. Just as he started to stand up, he heard the sound of a door opening in the baby monitor. Jim stopped and listened. He then heard the sound of his wife singing a lullaby. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond wing. Jim sat back down. He laid back in his chair again and started to doze off once more. The sound of his wife singing the lullaby wasn't just making the baby sleepy, but him too. This is the start of a wonderful family, Jim thought. Just as he closed his eyes, he heard the front door creak open. Jim watched as his wife walked in the grocery bags in both hands. He looked back at the baby monitor. His wife still singing the lullaby. He stared back at his wife for a brief moment before sprinting to the stairs and raced to the newborn's room. His wife dropped the groceries and ran after her husband. As Jim was running, he kept thinking, no, why is this happening? Jim bolted towards the door and almost destroyed it as he threw it open. Jim gazed into the room. He then witnessed something he would never forget, no matter how hard he tried. Thank you guys for listening. For you guys who are watching the video and not just listening, did you enjoy me providing a background video of something random? It may be gameplay, or sometimes might just be like walking in the woods. I don't know. Leave your comments down below for what I should read next. And see you guys next time.